All right, power tour day 3. Just came out from the hotel. The car was still here. Nobody stole it or vandalized it. We got a bit of a later start than everybody else that was in here last night. I think we're one of the last power tour rigs left in the hotel, but it's all right. We stopped and we ate food in here and slept in a little bit. Tim is gonna be our navigator. He's gonna lead the way today. Dustin and Michael are in a different car and they were at a different hotel. And instead of trying to coordinate getting together somewhere this morning and rolling 3 deep, we're just gonna try and find each other on the route. Because this is one of the longer legs. We're going to Louisville. We're gonna be hanging out in Louisville. It's just at a football stadium today, so I'm hoping we just can run in, get our shit stamped, and then maybe go hit a distillery. Who knows? But let's see what the car does. Let's make sure we don't have any issues. Let's get moving. Cold start. Perfect. Okay, so some not great news. I'm at D&M Towing and Recovery because Tim was in an accident about an hour ago in the MV1. He's trying to merge onto the route road, make a left at a blind corner. Somebody came around it, probably going too fast, I don't know, and T-boned him. So, and it's been a whole process. I didn't want to whip the camera out and film immediately after the accident happened. It just felt weird. So the MV1's on the tow truck. It's on its way here. I drove Tim here, and Dustin and Mike are on their way to go see if they can't rent a pickup truck to like haul Tim's stuff in, because like we need an extra car for Indianapolis anyway for a whole other reason. So renting something, getting everything kind of figured out. So I'm not sure if we're gonna make it to the venue today, or if we do, we might just send like me ahead in the Chevelle to get everybody's stuff stamped. I don't know. It sounds like we're gonna continue power tour, but today's not a good day. So yeah, that's about where we're at. All right, so I just left the salvage yard. They're still loading up the MV1, all of Tim's stuff, getting it out of it. Really sad. He's very upset, and I'm extremely upset for him. It just sucks. But we've decided to try and keep moving, right? Try and keep doing power tour. So Dustin and Mike went and got a rental truck, and right now they are actively loading Tim's stuff into it. They're trying to figure out transport for the MV1, get it back down to home, figure out, deal with the insurance then. I have been given all the passes, and I'm under orders to sprint to Louisville. We're still in Gallatin, Texas. To sprint to Louisville and try and get our day 3 punches on our passes. We did not realize there's a time change. So we thought we would be rolling in at about 4. Now we're rolling in at about 5:15, which is technically after the event closes. So fingers crossed. You know, again, I just can't say how grateful I am that nobody was hurt, you know, except for Tim's baby, right? The MV1, the track monster that it is. She's laid up. So yeah, they're packing up. They're gonna take their time. I'm gonna go get punched and then maybe check into the Airbnb early. Something. I'm gonna figure it out on the fly. But my mission is to get our shit stamped, so that's what I'm doing. Wish me luck. All right, we're here. We made it. The vendors are still hanging out. I just gotta find where I gotta go get all of these punched. My buddies somehow made up a bunch of ground, so they're not far behind me. I'm gonna just hang out and see if they can all punch their own tickets. See if the people that are doing the punching, you know, get sick of me and tell me to bail. I don't know, we'll see. Oh shit!
What's up?
They made it. top one's mine. And then it should be you and Mike. And then this is both of Tim's passes. Where's he at? Are they coming?
Yeah, yeah.
Did you guys park in the platinum spots?
Oh yeah. Came all the way. We were literally like right behind the pilot transport.
I got scared and was like, well, this is the end of regular long hauler. Yeah, for sure. I thought about bringing a couple over here, but I didn't know how long I was gonna wait.
We were like, dude, I was humping at 85 plus the whole time. Like, we're gonna fucking make it.
I definitely did not maintain an average speed of 93 miles an hour. Yeah.
I think everyone needs a beer and a piss at this point because I know
I'll move my car up, but I wanna tape the hero himself getting his own shit punched. Woo! Over there. You made it.
I made it.
With 20 minutes to spare, not even.
It's not that this is.
Oh,
These are yours.
Oh, okay. Okay, I got you.
Here, stamp my daddy.
Yeah. You get close and clear by the time. We're gonna take a little side B, a little side exit here, like that.
No, dude. So my GPS sent me over to the convention center, not here. So I had to ask some dude who was loading his car into a trailer, hey, how do I get into the line for the event?
Mine sent me to there. That one, they said go to the parking lot.
Oh, this. Oh, no, no.
Wow.
You're right.
All right.
I can give you this. Oh, yeah.
Barely.
All that matters is
We made it.
a minute or an hour.
I still gotta go back and rescue one of these down the road.
Yeah. All right.
Well, let's go. Let's go to some beer.
Get some beers. Some very well-earned beers.